So before starting this video, let me tell you that if you have any doubt regarding this problem, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. I will pin them. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the sum of two numbers problem which occurred in today's Codeforces 851 challenge. Okay, so this is the number of test cases and this is a number given n. So what you have to do is you have to basically find two numbers x and y such that x plus y is equals to n, and the sum of digits, let's say sum of digits is f of x. Let's say this is sum of digits of n is equal to f of n. Okay, let it be a function. So f of x and f of y, the difference should be lesser than equal, should be at most 1. Okay, that is the sum of digits of x and sum of digits of y should have a difference of at most 1. So this is what it mentions. So the given in outputs for for 1 and 0, like both adds up to 1. 67 and 94 adds up to 161. 60 and 7 adds up to 67. So this is what it means. And like if you check them, so sum of digits of this is 1 and this is 0, difference is 1. This is 7 plus 6, that is 13, and this is 9 plus 4, that is also 13, so difference is 0. This is 6 plus 0, that is 6. This is 7, that is difference is 1, right? This is 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13. The sum of digits is 13, and for here it is 8 plus 6, that is 14. So 14 minus 13, that is 1. Okay, this is 4 plus 1, 5, and this is also 5. So difference is 0. So all of them has a difference lesser than equal to 1. But an optional approach, like the approach that I am going to show you, I am going to use is 1, 0, 31, 130, 34, 33, 1103, 103, 5, 14. Like if you see this, you will notice one thing, that this kind of anomaly that occurred over here, that 6, 7, we were calculating them, okay, separately. Over here you can just it is so simple, like you can see that, see 3 and 1 is repeated, so it will be 0. This is 1 and 0, so it will be 1. 34 and 33, this 4 and 3, so 1. 1103, 103, so 1 is extra over here, so it will be 1. So 5 and 1, 4, right? 4 plus 1 is 5, and this is, so this becomes a simple approach. Okay, this is the simple approach. So let me go to the simple approach. So while n is greater than 0, you know this, d is equals to, let's not say d, let's say digit is equals to n mod 10, and then n by is equals to 10, right? This is a way of finding them, find the digits of a number from the back. So if we are going to make, like let's say 1 is, that is one number is going to be digit by 2, and the other number is going to be digit by 2 plus digit mod 2, that is math.ceil. okay, ceil of digit by 2. You can also write it ceil of digit by 2. So we have 1 and other. Okay, now you can use a flag. Okay, so flag is, let's say we name the flag as balance. Like if you have seen that tree, balancing tree, so you know that it can be at most 1. See, this thing is a type of a balancing tree, right? This is a kind of a balancing tree. That is, if this is a tree, so this is a balanced tree, because this is 0, this is 1, and this is also 1, and this is also 0, so it is 1, right? This is what the balancing tree states. So this is somewhat like the balancing tree. So 1 and other. Now see, other can be greater than 1, right? Because this has the digit mod 2, but it can be also equal to. So if other is greater than 1 and balance, okay, what is balance? Balance is left minus right, right? So balance, if balance is 1, that is, sorry, if it's greater than equal to 0, that is the left side is either both of them are balanced, or the left side is having a extra weight. Okay, the left side is having an extra weight. So if the balance is greater than or equal to 0, we can make balance minus minus, and let's say the value of, we have to find the value of x and y, right? So both were initially equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 into power of 10 comma k. I'll let you know what is k. K is actually like when you're adding digits towards the end. So this is the format, right? Like if a number is 10 and you have to add 1 at its end, so sorry, at the front. So like if you have to make n is equal to 10 to 110, so what you do, you have to add 1, so you make this power of into 100 plus 10, right? So this is the thing, okay, power this plus x, and y is equal to other into power of 10 comma k plus plus and plus y. Okay, this is if other greater than 1 and balance is greater than or equal to 0. But else if other is greater than 1 but now balance is lesser than 0, so what we do, since it is lesser than 0, we have to increase the balance, that is put towards the right, because sorry, right is heavier, so we have to put towards the left, right? So this is balance is this, so we will be like reversing them, that is y is equal to 1 into power of 10 comma k plus y, and x is equal to other into power of 10 comma k plus 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 x. Okay, done. Else if, now if these are the conditions when other is greater than 1, right? What if other is equal to 1? So else, that is other is equal to 1. So in that case, that is a very simple case. You have to simply do this. Okay, do this. You can do any one. You can make this also or this also. So y is equal to, else y is equals to 1 into power of 10 comma k plus 1 y, and this plus this whole thing. Okay, so this is what the code is. So let me explain it to you, like for this 1138 and 68, sorry, 1206. Okay, so let me explain this to you. 1206, a is equals to 0 initially and b is equals to 0. So for 6, that is this digit, we are going to divide it equally. Okay, so this becomes 3 and this becomes 3. Balance is, it is balanced, right, on both sides. Now that is 0, so we can divide 0 into two parts, so we make it 0 3 and we also make it 0 3. Now this is 2, so we can divide 2 into two parts, so we make it 1 and make it 1. Balance is still 0, right? Now see, this is 1, so we can like add a 1 over here, but we don't add, we add a 0 over here and make this balance, the left side increases, so balance becomes 1. So you get it? So answer C, 1103 and 103. This is what it is. Now let's take this example. Okay, 19. This is the nice example. So a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 0, right? So first is 9 and balance is what? Balance is equal to 0 initially. So 9, we can't divide 9 into two equal parts, so we can make this as 5 and this is 4, right? And once we have made this, so see, the left side is now heavier, right? So balance is 1, that is left side is heavier. Now see 1, so 1 also we can't divide into two parts, right? So we have to keep 1 on one side and 0 on one side. Now where will we keep it? Since balance is 1, so we have to neutralize it, that we have to make it 0. So we are going to place 1 over here and 0 over here. So the answer is 5 and 14. See, 5 and 14. So this is the basic logic behind this. This one was a good one, a good problem. That's it. Thank you.